We are going to the next question. What is the replacement in S/4HANA for MB02 transaction? I hope all of you are aware about MB02 transaction is removed. Okay, MB02 is removed from S/4HANA. Then what is the replacement for MB02 in S/4HANA? What is the replacement for MB02? Can anyone answer? What kind of functionality is provided by SAP, as they have removed MB02 transaction, which we generally use for updating output type or updating header text and all. What is the replacement transaction for MB02 in S/4HANA? In Migo, what kind of option is given by SAP? Okay, so SAP has given there is a one more option in Migo transaction. Okay, here there is a one option X812. There is a change button is given in S/4HANA. So if you want to change any material document, you can use that option to make changes. So in Migo we can do that. Okay, so we are going to the next question. For example, you are posting a material document, okay, and your period is currently open for October 2022 and November 22. So these 2 months is open for your period in MMRV. So you can see in your company MMRV transaction, right? You can check that what are the periods open. Okay, let's take it anything. This is an example only. So will system allow to post any material document, okay, a post goods moment with document date as maybe 10/07/2022? Is it possible to post a goods moment with document date as July 2022? You can answer the question whether it is possible or not. I am saying like document date. Pritham, why will it allow? I see one answer as yes. Okay, we got the answer from multiple people. So system will not stop you to create a document date with past date or future date. System will only check the posting date. So system will not allow you to post other than October or November month, but document date can be future date or can be a past date. So there is no restriction for the document date. Okay, so the next step, single step. I hope in STO process we have a 1-step and 2-step process, right? Is it possible to post goods issue against 1-step related outbound delivery with serial number managed materials? Is it possible to post goods issue against 1-step outbound delivery with serial number managed materials? Is it possible or not? Is it possible to post goods issue against 1-step outbound delivery with serial number? Someone can answer it. Recently I put a video also on this. SAP will not allow, if the materials are managed in serial number, 1-step will not be allowed. You must follow the 2-step process. Okay, 2-step STO process. That's what you can clarify. Goods issue against 1-step STO outbound delivery. So another question. So its answer is not possible. Not possible. So similar question now. You posted 1-step goods issue against STO outbound delivery. Okay. Now tell me what are the moment types and how many material documents will be created. Can someone answer this question? You posted 1-step goods issue against STO outbound delivery. Only 1 step. Now what are the moment types and how many material documents will be created? intra-company STO. Let's take it intra-company STO outbound delivery. So system will create one material document only one material document with two movement types. Okay, system will post one material document with two movement types. One is 647, another one is 101. So both 647 and 101 will be done in the same one material document only will be created, and it will both movement types will be under one material document. That's the one step. $351 and all without delivery. Okay, we are not talking about with delivery. So we are without delivery, and also 351 and 101 is always two step. Okay, we are talking about again one step. Dharani Das, you can understand that one. So here we are talking about one step intra STO with delivery. Okay, the next question. Let me tell you one business requirement, and you tell me that is any SAP standard solution or not. Client wants to trigger certain output type once the goods issue is posted against outbound delivery, but not during delivery creation. Once the goods issue is posted, then only certain output type needs to be triggered. That output type may be an EDI to send to customer, or it can be a printout, the packing slip printout, whatever. But output type must be triggered once the goods issue is posted only, not during delivery creation. Is there any SAP standard solution to achieve that? If yes, what is the solution? If no, what kind of solution you want to propose? You can read the question again. That's why I'm putting these efforts to put it in some color or some highlighter, because if you're not following my voice, at least you will see the question on screen. Is there any standard solution to achieve getting output type during goods issue against outbound delivery? So there is SAP standard routine 1. Okay, so let me show you that in SAP. You can directly go to NACE transaction. In this meantime, all of you hit like button and share this link with your media like Facebook or LinkedIn, so let others can join and see the live discussion and live answering the questions. Go to V2 shipping, go to procedures. You can take any one thing what you are using. Here there is a requirement. The requirement is the routine. Okay, 1. Okay, the requirement 1 is designed by SAP in a way to use it. If you assign 1 to specific output type, for example this ZLDW, okay, so what will happen when the goods issue is posted, then only the output type will be triggered. Generally this will be used for sending certain information to customer. That goods issue means almost it is everything is done, and the goods will go to the customer. So the information that we are issuing the stock from our warehouse now. So if you are asking such kind of requirement, you don't have to do any kind of enhancement. SAP standard has given a standard routine called 1. That 1 you can assign to your output type, so that when you create the outbound delivery, the messages it will be showing blank, but as soon as the goods issue is posted, you will see this output type automatically. Okay, I hope it will be helpful for you during your requirement. This requirement 80 to 90% of cases SD consultant only will handle. Maybe there is no much SD and you are handling as a WM and SD or something, cases maybe you will handle, but this question I can say like mostly it is related to SD module. Okay, let's go to our next question. Is it possible to create one shipment for multiple outbound deliveries? If yes, in which business cases companies will go for that? Question again. Is it possible to create one shipment for multiple outbound deliveries? If yes, when do business create such shipment documents? You can read the question. I'm keeping the screen here. Is it possible to create one shipment for multiple outbound deliveries? If yes, when do business create such shipment documents? You can start answering. I will explain in detail. Yes, if the ship to party address is same. Using custom code during STO, invoicing to one address. Okay, so the answer is it possible to create one shipment for multiple outbound deliveries? The answer is yes. Technically, you can combine multiple deliveries into one shipment. Okay. When do business create such shipment documents? Generally, what happens? Based on the business requirement. Let's take it any. Let's say here. For example, the business has same region. There are one delivery, delivery 1, delivery 2, delivery 3, and delivery 4. Let's take it. There are 4 deliveries the business is supposed to send today. Okay. OBD 1, OBD 2, OBD 3, and OBD 4. There are 4 deliveries business has to send. All 4 deliveries may be same customer. Customer may be A. All deliveries for the same customer, or else maybe area is same. Customers are different, okay, but area is same. Maybe let's take it North Street. NS. Area may be same. So based on certain criteria, business can combine multiple deliveries into one shipment. So that generally what happens, one shipment will go for one shipment will be maybe one container or one truck, whatever it is. So what happens, they can send this entire material into different addresses, okay, same customer or same area, so that they can distribute that materials into one container or one truck they can send. So such kind of cases they can combine into multiple deliveries will be combined into one shipment. Mostly we see that one if the customer is same. In a few companies may follow this one if the area is also same, 2-3 customers, but area is same, so that one container can go there, and there they will distribute to individual customers because they don't have to carry the different vehicles for the same area it is going. So somewhat in that cases you need to understand that the shipment will be used one shipment one container or one shipment one truck. I hope it is clear now. Customers are different and area is completely different, then they don't combine it. Okay. If for one apartment you are getting one courier boy may take it and give to the different people. He can carry all the Flipkart or Amazon boxes into the same apartment and he can distribute it. Correct? Or else if all parcels are coming to the same house, he can take it as at one time. If the apartments are different or areas are different, everything is different, then mostly it will be distributed to the other person. So that's the common thing. I would just like understanding the business logic only. So coming to the next question. Okay. How to release an invoice which is blocked for the payment? We are discussing about invoice will be blocked if the price is more and all, right? How to release it? How to release the invoice which is blocked for the payment? And what is auto release and what is manual release? That also you can explain that. MRBR is the correct answer. What is auto release and manual release and when it will come to picture? Okay, so whoever answers MRBR, Pritam, Venkatesh and everyone, Sagar. So let's check that one now. So the transaction is MRBR. What is auto release and manual release? For example, let's take one case. PO created for $100. Okay, PO is created for $100 and invoice is posted for maybe $105. Okay, PO is created for $100, invoice is posted for $105. So system has blocked the for payment. Okay, but in this meantime you posted GR. Posted GR. So system will take the same amount, the posted GR with same quantity and amount. So there is no discrepancies or there is no differences and all. In this meantime, if you are running MRBR auto, for example MRBR, release manually, release automatically. Okay, so release automatically you can create a batch job so that if the quantity different blocks or amount related blocks are happened, but later you adjusted in the PO or you have posted the similar quantity of GR, at that point of time if you are running a background job for this block invoices, those kind of blocks where it is fulfilled, for example PO it changed to 105 or GR is posted for the same quantity block was done, but you also posted the GR for the same quantity, then these kind of things will be automatically released. But there are certain kind of invoices will be there which can never be posted automatically. What kind of things? For example, PO is 100, invoice is posted for maybe 110 like that. Okay, you have not for example let's take it. PO is posted 100, GR is posted of course 100 because GR we cannot make any changes to the price, right, during goods receipt. Now invoice is posted for $115 or $110. Okay, Now system has blocked this invoice for payment. These kind of blocks will never be released with automatically. 100% is the finance admin or finance manager who is responsible. He has to run manually and verify the amount is correct or not. Okay, if they have any audit concerns or how to handle that kind of thing, so then they have to change the PO price to 110 and cancel the GR before that, like that they do, or else they will release the invoice manually. Automatic can only happen you are posted invoice first and later you posted GR, then system has verified that amounts everything is same. Okay, so because both 105 is posted, then those kind of invoices can be automatically released, but these kind of things like will never be automatically released because the genuine $10 is posted, someone has to post manually. So that's the difference between manual and automatic. Automatic means mostly it will come as a quantity blocks. Okay, invoice is PO is created for 10 and invoice is created for 10, but GR was 0. But once you post the GR, then automatic invoice when you create, system will automatically release it. But these kind of cases will not be released automatically. Someone manually has to verify whether this $10 is genuine. They accept it from the vendor to pay it, then they have to release manually. Once it released, it is available for the payment, and then the payment will, the automatic payment run or whatever they use it, they do for payment. I hope it is helpful for you. How to reverse ERS invoice posted by? So ERS invoice will be always posted. For example, how to reverse ERS invoice posted. For example, you posted the goods receipt, then if you run ERS MRRL, system will post invoice. If you really want to cancel it, you need to cancel the goods receipt. For example, goods receipt is posted. Goods receipt is posted. MRRL you have run ERS. System created invoice receipt. If you want to cancel that invoice, you cannot cancel with MR item or something. You need to goods receipt cancel, then run MRRL ERS concept. System will create the credit memo. I hope it is clear. You cannot reverse the document. You need to do that. You need to first cancel the goods receipt and then you can run it. Gaurav, I think you're asking the subcontracting question. Go to Ganesh SAP SCM. You can normally Google also, you can do it. Ganesh SAP SCM. You always, this is our blog. I think hope many of you know or may not know. You can search Ganesh SAP SCM. You will see our YouTube video links, and also you will see plenty of documents which were made by me. And also you can see that latest our Udemy related discount links. Okay. So whenever I generated that Udemy courses with the discount links, you can access here. So here there is our subcontracting process is the top post for last 4 years. Okay. Go to the subcontracting one. Here I explained about each accounting entry. You can go through with amounts I have given. I hope it will be helpful for you to understand clearly. So there are multiple documents are there and videos are there, and I stopped promoting this one because no one is using. But if you want to, whenever you do any Amazon shopping, you can come to our channel and click on this link, and it will take you to Amazon. Then you do any shopping so that we get some commission. But no one is using. I think 2016 or something. Almost I stopped not much promoting this area. Okay, so you can check all the documents, especially the subcontracting. You can go through. Okay, I hope this MRRL ERS question is clarified. We'll go to the next question. Okay, let's spend some time on accounting entries. Okay, if PO is created for 10 pieces, cost of $200, total amount is $200, per piece may be $20, per piece equals to $20 PO. Then the goods receipt is posted. I hope all of you are able to see the screen. Let me increase if required a little bit. Okay, so PO is posted, PO is created, and GR is posted for 10 pieces of $200, per piece $20. Because goods receipt time, you cannot change any price, right? So goods receipt only you can change the quantity, but you cannot change the price. So always whatever the PO price, the same price will come to GR in most of the cases. Now what happened? You have consumed this stock immediately for production or any other production or sales. Okay. You have just consumed the stock as soon as you received. Immediately you have consumed the stock. Okay, you have consumed the stock. Now invoice receipt is posted, 10 pieces, but the vendor has sent the $205 of invoice. Okay, $205 invoice you have posted. Can someone tell me the accounting entries for this business case? And before you go think about accounting entries, let me tell you the material price control is V, means moving average price. Okay, this point you try to remember. Okay, material is managed in moving average price. PO is created for 10 pieces and $200 total amount. Goods receipt is posted for 10 pieces. As soon as the goods receipt is done, the stock is consumed for sales or production or whatever you have done immediately. The invoice receipt is posted later, but the vendor has sent the invoice of $205. Now tell me the accounting entries for invoice receipt. You can think. If you are very clear the question, I will give you 1 to 2 minutes of time for this question. I will keep the screen like this. all of you think and answer the question. I hope it will be helpful. And whoever just joined the live few minutes back, hit like button. If you're completely a new person to our channel, click subscribe, and later peacefully go to our playlist and check 450 plus videos are there. And if someone, any SEO expert or any kind of experts are available in our viewers or in our YouTube family members, please send your inputs to me how to make our 450 plus videos to reach maximum people. When I was having 100 or 150 videos, it was very easy for me to showcase or to reach to the people. But now we have 450 plus videos. In that 400 plus videos are SAP videos itself. Remaining 50 maybe few success stories or charity. Okay, but 400 plus videos are pure SAP videos. How to make those videos to reach maximum people to help? If you have any good suggestions, you can send an email to me. It will be helpful for us. So now you can think about invoices post for 205. The stock is already consumed. The material stock is 0 at the time of invoice is posted. Now you can tell. So let us check now the accounting entries. So during goods received, what happens? PO 10 pieces and $200, GR 10 pieces, $200. So during goods received, the accounting entries will be like this. Let us reduce the size a bit so that we will get some space. Oof. Okay. I hope all of you are able to see the screen. So at the PO goods received time, the accounting entries will be stock account. Let me use AC. Stock account 200 debit. Okay. Positive means debit. In many of our videos also we explain. And the GR account 200 credit. So stock account is BSX, GRIR is the WRX. So now during invoice received, what happens? KBS will be there, but it's vendor account. The vendor gets that, the vendor reconciliation account will be there, right? From there, the system will take the GL account. The vendor account 200 credit and GRIR 200 debit. That is anyway, it will happen. So you're paying $205 to the vendor, right? So $205 credit. And the GRIR, whatever 200 credit, the same opposite entry will be here. So 200 debit. Here the surprise element will be coming at for that $5. That is PRD, price difference. Price difference account. 5 debit. Okay. So that's what you need to understand. For example, if this story is not happened, you have consumed the stock immediately for production and sales. Let's take it the second case. Okay. Let's take the another case where the stock is not consumed at all. Stock is still available. Okay, you have not done anything. 10 pieces are received, 10 pieces still available. Now you have posted invoice received with $5 extra. Then what will happen? BSX stock account. So this $5, the remaining all the same. This $5 will be loaded on stock account. Here the $5 is loading on price difference account. Generally we will have some fundamental that in case of moving average price difference will not come, but price difference will come in rare cases like this. Okay, most of the cases price difference will not come. Always it will be loaded on the material price only. But in special cases, these kind of special cases, for example, you receive the stock before payment, you have done completely consumed the stock. At that point of time, the $5 system doesn't have a stock to load it. That's why the $5 has gone to the price difference account. If there is a stock, then the $5 will be loaded on the stock account. Okay. For example, if the invoice is also posted for 200, then this both will not be there. Just 200 credit, 200 debit. Okay, I hope it will be helpful. Please watch 2-3 times the same video. You will get a better clarity. The same whatever I explained just now. This video will be available in public. You can watch for 2-3 times after this live. Thank you.